Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Living in Laguna Beach. My name is Ryan Huggins. If you're new here, I'm a local real estate agent, and I love to show the properties in our market, what's going on in Laguna Beach and the surrounding areas as well. In today's video, we have an epic home tour for you guys. You're gonna absolutely be stunned. I mean, take a look at this right here, just right there. That is literally Laguna Beach main beach. This is literally a sliver of the view I'm about to show you in this video today. So today we have 2190 Temple Hills, Laguna Beach, California. And this is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 4,531 square foot house with a 16,728 square foot lot. And this one is currently on the market for $6,950,000. So if you are interested in this property or you want any of the details, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm also going to be putting in the description down below all of the information about the listing agent, who is Scott Sumner. He is with RE/MAX 1. Him and his team are doing an amazing job with this listing. Let's start with the tour. So here it is, everybody, 2190 Temple Hills. And as you can see, one of the few homes in Laguna Beach has a 3-car garage, but not only a 3-car garage, this has a full-on wrap-around driveway. So you can park all kinds of cars in the driveway. If you are entertaining, having friends over, you can have multiple cars in the actual parking, and there's also street parking in front of your house as well. So if you're an entertainer, this is an entertainer's dream. You can also see right here the deck above, leading right out of the kitchen, giving you that spectacular seating area. Also from the driveway even, you can see the ocean there, has full ocean views. I'm talking all the way over there. And this is just the intro. You cannot even wait to see what's going on here. So this is the walk up, leads you right up into the staircase here. We have a little patio on the front, which is very nice. You can come and hang out, lay out, whatever you need to do. We've got the intercom doorbell. Very, very nice doors. French door opening. Got the patio here. Walk in. Beautiful floors. To your left, you immediately walk up into your kitchen. Huge, huge entertainer island here. As you can see, we have a nice spread here for the open house. Sub-zero refrigerator, dual oven, thermidor, island, stovetop, plenty of storage. But what about this? You're doing your dishes and you can take a look, do a wave check every morning. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this. There you go. That's main beach, Laguna Beach. And so you're able to open up these windows as well. You also have sliding doors leading out to your breakfast patio, entertainer's dream. You can see we have a barbecue outside. You can set this up however you would like. You can see the patio furniture. Nice gas fireplace here. And then also, of course, the view from your patio. Excuse the gardener, he's doing a little work over there. Heading back into the home, we're gonna go ahead and head back to where we came from. Again, lots and lots of storage as well. Just wanted to point that back out there. Leading us back to the entrance. Let's take a look from the landing first here. Head on down. And looking back out from your driveway, or at your driveway from your door as well, you can see how grand. I mean, it is just massive. It's actually like a 2-lane highway. How many cars you could park here. Also the view from your front door. Let's go ahead and walk back in here. As soon as you get in to the right-hand side here, you do have a bathroom. Let's got the privacy room here in case someone just needs to use the mirror or the privacy of the actual bathroom. Very, very tasteful. Head back out. And here is going to be your living room area. So over here to the left, there's a nice little area built out for sitting and enjoying the entertainment. Also these views. Let's just take a look here out of all of these windows. Absolutely stunning views. So nice. Taking a look back, we also have the second entrance up into the kitchen there. And let's go ahead and head back over here to the formal living room. So over here, you can see how they've got it set up. You can obviously use your imagination, set this up any which way you would like. Beautiful fireplace here. And as we head back outside, this is where we shot the intro from. Literally this table here, that's the angle, giving you a look here of your tanning patio on the back if you would like to use it for such. And now we'll take a look at the views from the patio here. And you can see all the spectacular homes from here as well. This is just about to the top of the world. In fact, the top of the world is right up that hill. So you can go up there. There's beautiful hiking, a great park up there to go entertain and have fun with your friends, mountain biking all around, just like everywhere in Laguna Beach. Tons of hiking, tons of fun. Now over here, we do have the master bedroom. And as you can see, master bedroom is on the main level. Nice, huge ceilings. Over here to the right-hand side, we have the walkway down to the bathroom, the master bath. Beautiful tub, separate shower. It's got the privacy windows, tons of storage, double vanity, tall ceilings in here as well. It does also have its water closet, so you can use the restroom. Privacy while other people get ready. Here we have the closet. Full walk-in closet. Tons and tons of room. It's always nice to be able to walk into your closet. And let's go take a look at our view from our patio and our bedroom. You want to wake up in the morning, go stretch out, get your fresh air as you walk out here. And we'll be heading to the downstairs here in just a few minutes. But again, a phenomenal view. And that fireplace that we saw from the living room, it is a pass-through fireplace. Now let's head downstairs to the second level. All right, so the second level downstairs. First and foremost, we walk down. This one is set up as an office at the moment. Take a look back here. As you guys remember, we have the master bedroom upstairs. This is bedroom number 2. Again, all the rooms here in the corners just set up with the perfect view. Very nice. Large bed, still tons of room in this house, and this room has its own bath and shower. Linen closet inside. And wait, there's more. We're gonna head down this way. And here is the closet. And as we take a look, there's the exit to outside. Giving you the pass through up to your driveway and also a walk down to the pool. Now we'll continue back into the office, heading out of this bedroom. You can't see the stairs, very beautiful staircase. Heading into the office space here. Plenty of sliding glass doors, plenty of room for your view. Go out on your downstairs patio. Which we'll take a step out onto. And now let's head back inside. We'll go to bedroom number 3 here. All right, so now bedroom number 3. This one is larger than bedroom number 2. It does have its own bathroom as well. Also the shower and the tub. And a closet as well. Heading back out to the office setup. And entering to the sauna. So we have the dry sauna, which is always super nice to have inside of your house. It's got your controls here. When you exit, you can simply take an easy shower, get cleaned up. Up here is just some extra storage space. You've got your furnace here, water heater, all in good shape, relatively new. Then we do have our dedicated washroom here. You can see you have your washer, dryer, wet sink, linen storage, but it actually has a linen storage room, which is really nice. All right, there's level 2. So now we're bedroom 1 and 2. We're gonna head on down to the 3rd level. And check this out, entertainer's dream. This is absolutely epic. Set up as a poker room downstairs with the pool access. This also has a full kitchen, which is absolutely required for being able to do a full-on party down here. We do also have bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 down here. We have our closet. Have our bathroom. And we have access right outside of our bedroom. So easy access. You can head right up to your garage, right up to the driveway that way, or you come around here and boom, you have access to your pool. Heading back inside. So essentially you could have someone living down here, living in the middle, and also separated as living at the top. All three separate. They do all have separate entrances from that side of the house. You walk outside to the pool level, and you can see here it's all set up. Walk on over here, soak in the nice, beautiful hot tub, overflowing into the pool. Look at this gazebo area. Stay out of the crazy sun that will be coming in just a couple of weeks. Summertime is about to be here. But this deck is way large. Let's take a little walk over here. We're just hanging out, reading our book, drinking our tea, taking a look at the view here. Let's take a look back at the house. And let's go check the opposite side of the house as well. Because like we talked about, huge lot on this property. Let's see what the other side has in store for us. Just taking a look back here. And here's the other side. So you got all your controls for your pool, solar, sprinklers, and also easy access straight up back to the front of your house, into your driveway. Let's go take a look at the garage. All right, so back to level 2 here. We find the entrance to the garage. If you remember, that's where we came down from the first floor. And we come into the garage, fully furnished floors, 3-car garage, as I talked about earlier. Tons of storage on the side. Tons of storage on the side. You can see here, Range Rover fits in even the single door garage door. Obviously you have the double door over here as well. And you can see this thing is ready to be utilized. Tons of storage, tons of room. And then we hit our garage door. And boom, right back where we started. Welcome home.